What's the best way to manage Babel node modules transpilation? Imagine you're building a web app and want it to run smoothly everywhere. You use Babel to convert modern JavaScript into older versions. But when it comes to node modules, things get tricky. Some dependencies ship code that needs transpiling, while others are already compatible. Managing this process well can save you time and keep your app working across browsers. By default, most build tools like Webpack or Babel exclude the node modules folder from transpilation. This speeds up your build because it skips code that is usually already compatible. But some dependencies, especially newer ones, use features like S6 or later that older browsers can't handle. If you ignore these, your app might break in those environments. The key is to identify which dependencies need transpiling. You can do this manually by inspecting their source code or automatically with tools that scan for modern JavaScript syntax. Once you know, you can tell Babel or Webpack to include only those specific modules. For example, instead of excluding all of node modules, you can set your configuration to include only certain modules using regular expressions or functions. For Webpack, you might change the exclude rule to something like this: exclude /nodemodules/ module to transpile /. This tells Webpack to skip all node modules except for the modules you specify. Alternatively, you can use an include array that lists your source folder and any specific node modules paths that need transpiling. This way, your build process stays fast because it only processes what's necessary. Automating this process is also a good idea. You can write scripts that detect untranspiled dependencies and update your Babel configuration automatically. This reduces manual work and keeps your setup up to date as new dependencies are added. Applying the right Babel presets is important too. Use add Babel preset-env with target browsers in mind. This preset helps convert code to be compatible with your supported browsers. If you want to keep S-module syntax for better tree shaking, set modules to false in the preset. Some build tools also have plugins designed to optimize dependency transpilation. These can make the process more efficient and reduce build times further. Remember to test your app in all target environments, especially older browsers like Internet Explorer 11, to confirm your transpilation setup works well everywhere. In practice, you might set up your Webpack configuration like this: exclude /nodemodules/ module 1, module 2, module 3 / or include specific modules directly. This way, only the dependencies that need transpiling are processed, keeping your build fast and your app compatible. Understanding how to manage Babel transpilation for node modules is a helpful skill for web developers. It teaches you how JavaScript code evolves and how build tools work behind the scenes. Proper setup ensures your app runs smoothly across browsers, improves performance, and makes maintenance easier. Managing this process effectively means fewer bugs, faster builds, and a better experience for your users.